Hey, hi YouTube. This is the Roomba vlog, and I've had the Roomba 400 series for about a month, and you'd be surprised by how much dirt it can collect. It's pretty good, pretty good, like really good, and the maintenance is not bad. Yeah, like I just take out the bristles sometimes, but most of the time I just empty out the bin. And after a while you use it, the house gets pretty clean, so you don't have to empty as much. So I use it about 5 days a week. Before I was using it every day, and now I just skip around Wednesday, Thursday, and weekends I use it in the afternoons instead of mornings. The rest of the time I use it in the mornings. It helps out a lot, and yeah, family likes it. Yeah, I call the Roomba Rover. I say, "Can Rover come over?" And then my mom calls it Bear, good boy. And the virtual walls were pretty easy to set up, like, just put batteries in it and stuff like that. Came with some virtual walls and stuff. Yeah, you just kind of like put them at borders where you think one room should end, where another room should begin. I don't know, it's kind of weird like that. And this is my first useful robot that I can actually use in the house. So thanks for watching the video. The Roomba is very good. I like the Roomba. iRobot's Roomba. It's really awesome. And it cleans the house. Stuff like that. I like the video. If you like the video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay, peace out.